Alright guys, look at this new setup for my mic. Look at that shit. Look at that. Damn. Look at that. Damn. Zoom in on it. Oh fuck. Zoom in on it. Damn. Fuzzy. Alright guys, me and my girl, we're about to go. Oh damn. You guys are all close and personal. We're gonna go film a car. 370Z. From someone we both went to high school with. Never really saw him before. Well, I've seen him around, but never really talked to him. I think he was in our editing class, actually. Another truck part came in. Pretty sure that's the shock extenders. Alright guys, so it's a little windy right now. Testing out my new mic. What do you guys think? Can you hear me good? I hope you can. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the guy to come in. To get here, so we can start filming his car. We have enough sunlight left. We'll be able to get a good hour and a half out of filming. So let's see what we can get. What's up, babe?
Nothing.
Sick ass wagon. That's just fast as fuck. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed those first few clips I did of me filming that 370Z. That was badass. The video's almost done, so I'm gonna post it pretty soon, probably after this video. But then I also have something else to film after that video, so. But for today, we're gonna focus on these two packages. Well, this one for sure, I know it's my shock extenders. So let's get these opened up. See what they look like, because I've never seen any in my life. And I got these off of, I believe I got them off eBay. I'll put the link down in the description for you guys as well. Oh yeah. Got all these bolts. So here's the shock extenders. They go on the rear ones, just to give you a better ride quality, so you won't get all that crazy bouncing from lower trucks. So this will give us better ride quality and won't be bouncing a lot. Okay, now for this package. I already opened it because I was excited, but I thought, why not record it for you guys? Because you guys said in the last video that you liked unboxing videos. So, big shout out to EricVlogs for sending me this package. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys what it is already, because I already know. Well, I know what it's gonna be, but I don't know how they look. So that's gonna be pretty badass. So EricVlogs, good homie of mine, known him for like what, more than a year now, almost 2 years, probably a year and a half. Go check out his YouTube channel. He's doing pretty good. Almost hitting 9,000, 10,000 subscribers. So go give him go subscribe, like, comment, and everything on his videos. So tell him I sent you. Unless you guys already know him. I'm pretty sure you guys already know him. He's pretty big. So he called me one day. He's like, "Hey bro, you want some tail lights, bro?" And I was like, "Hell yeah. That's simple. That's how we communicate. You want this? Yeah, of course." So he sent me these tail lights, and I'm freaking excited to open them. Like, there's been some that I've been wanting for a while, so I hope it's those. Like, I guess he had them like sitting around extra or something, and here they are. So let's get these opened up. Once again, shout out to EricVlogs. Hopefully see you soon. Actually, I'm planning on doing an eating challenge with him and Solar Cielo, so stand by. That's just gonna be badass. But let's focus on these for now. And before we actually open these, my truck is gonna be up to date with its registration and everything really soon. So I'll be able to go get the freaking underbed notch like within this week. I'm freaking excited. That's just gonna be low. So I'm gonna be at a 4.8, and then got the shocks. If you didn't see the shock video unboxing, it's gonna be the previous video that I just posted. So go check it out. Those shits are badass. But let's check these up. Oh, I'm freaking excited. So I got to this part, but I was like, damn, I'm gonna record it for you guys, because who knows what they're gonna be. This is like a mystery. I'm freaking excited. Actually, my driver's side taillight is actually broken because a big rig hit me. So it's cracked. So I'm like, I need taillights. So this is gonna do it. So while editing that video for that 370Z, I noticed that this freaking windscreen sucks ass. It's like there's like no difference, no wind resistance at all. So it sucks. Don't get it. I hope you guys enjoyed that little prank I did to you guys, that me and Eric did, pretty much. It was my idea, but for real, go give him a follow, leave some comments, subscribe, you know. Right now I'm gonna go, me and my girlfriend, we're gonna go to the mall, to the Montclair Plaza, and I'm gonna pick up these samples of my decals that I ordered to get so I can get some, so you guys can buy some, because a lot of you guys have been asking me to get some decals, so here they come finally. But let's go real quick. I have my girlfriend out there waiting and shit. White girls in their Starbucks. Alright guys, so here we are at the Montclair Plaza. Been coming here for years, haven't been here in forever though. I'm gonna go pick up those samples of the decals and see how they are. And if they're pretty badass, then we're gonna pick up a few hundred. He hated and loved him at the same time.
So what happened?
What happened?
You think I look cute in these?
Yeah. The new Corolla hatchback.
Is it?
What do you guys think? What do you think?
I don't like the color, but I like the car.
I like the color.
Oh.
But it's not a Fiesta ST. So I don't know what's up with the weather. About like 2 weeks ago it was raining like for days straight and it was cold. And then yesterday it was kind of warm, but it was still fresh. It was like 70 something. And today's just crazy. It's like super windy and cold. You know, California is weird. But it's supposed to rain tonight, so who knows. But I'm gonna close the video out here. Sorry about the prank in the beginning. I just thought it'd be really funny. Cause I got those stock taillights. I let Renee borrow them because he crashed his truck, so he needed them for his new bed. And he barely gave them back to me the other day. Once he got his new taillights, which are pretty badass, they're LED and everything. And then we're like, we should make a prank to you guys, like if EricVlogs sent me those stock taillights, and I talked to EricVlogs about it and he agreed with it, and it was funny. So I hope you guys laughed at least. Try to make you guys laugh, and it was pretty funny. But I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys want some decals, drop it down below, because I'm gonna print out about 100 or something like that, and get them sold to you guys. I'll ship them anywhere around the US, so just let me know what you guys think. Peace out everybody, it's your boy Chubbs, TCB.